Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and I have been working on some label designs, label kits for my shop, and I have listed them in my shop. So if you want, you can go and check them. So I'm just going to do a very quick flip view sort of thing, and there will be some projects coming up to show how you can use them. Of course, everybody knows how to use labels. It is just some things that I wanted to share, like how you can layer them on your pockets, how you can embellish them on your pockets and journal cards and stuff like that. So that is how I want to show you. So what I have here are 3 kits. Now I have trimmed some of them down because I've printed in doubles. I'll show you that later on. So this is basically a vintage script kind of label set, which has 4 pages. Like all the label sets that I have in my shop have 4 pages and 3 different sizes. Now I will show you the basics. So this is one size which has big labels, okay, pretty big. You can make them into small pockets, also tuck spots. You can do that, and I have printed them on cardstock because I wanted to create some pockets and tuck spots using these, and also I can use them as bases for layering. Because if I want, I can layer some fussy cut flowers or stamps or something of that sort, and they will be perfect for the background. So this is already listed in my shop, as I said. So you get 2 pages of large labels, okay, and 2 pages of medium sized ones. Not 2 pages, sorry, 1 page of the medium sized one. So this is one single page. You get a ton of labels. Like over here you have 21, and then over here you have 21. That's 42, and then you get 42 more. So that is 84. Yeah, so you get 84 labels. So these are the smaller sizes. So I have made them in such a way that if you are not comfortable with sizing the labels down, no issues. You get 3 sizes. This is the smallest size, and this is the medium one, and this is the large one. So basically they have the same backgrounds but in different sizing. So this is a vintage script one. There are 3 kits available, and they are all on sale currently. And this is the floral script background. So you have the same thing. Just let me show you. Yeah, so this is the smaller labels, and this is the bigger ones. Again, these will be perfect for pockets, tuck spots. Even if you want to create some layered, you can just add a word label or some butterfly, and instantly it will be suitable for different kinds of projects that you want, or you can keep them just as it is. So I love this, and I also have done some black and white, not black and white, in the monotones, you can say. So I've done 2 of them. I think I've done in monotones, 2 or 3, I guess. I think 2. Yeah, so that is the 2 pages of large labels. And then I have this sheet. This is the medium sized one, and this has, I love this one and this one, and I have I'm in the process of cutting them down, and I'm not finished cutting these down, so they will come down to these sizes. And if you want them on pages, let me show you. So I'm working on some journals. So if you want, you can embellish these pockets with, if you want, you can layer them up. You can add heights to your pockets, or you can do like this. Instantly you can see how pretty it looks, and it always pleases your eye when you add different heights to your projects. That, I don't know, it is something I find very pleasing to the eye. So you can use them in this way, and as I said, you can always use them as bases for your snippets, clusters, whatever. So this is another page. So you have 4 sheets of floral script labels, and again I have printed them on cardstock. You don't have to print them on cardstock, you can definitely print them on your ordinary paper, but if you want to get the proper coloration of the labels or anything digital, it's highly suggested that you print them on good quality paper. So I have printed these labels also on the 100 GSM paper that I use. So you can see there's no difference as such, so you can use them on these also. I'll obviously cut these down and use them in my project. So I printed them out as a test print, things happen like that. So this is the last kit that I have. This is the butterfly kit. Oh my god, this turned out to be such a pleasurable one. So this is the small version, small label version. Again, this has 4 pages, so this is the small version, and I really love how there are more blue butterflies, because love this one. This one is super cute. So is this one. There are lots of favorites in this. So this is the smallest one, and then we come to the largest one. So again, you get 2 sheets of large butterfly labels. I have already cut these down, and I'll show you how they look. I have been cutting them down, but I was super busy today. So you can see, if you want, just as I said, you can add these as even on covers. You can add them as accents. You can just if you want, you can layer them like this. And the fun thing about digital is, once you buy them, then they are yours forever. So you can create a kind of interesting cover also if you want. So I have chopped up the vintage script and the butterfly ones. I'm in the process of decimating these floral labels, and once I do, I will show you the project that I'm planning on sharing. So that's going to be again a craft with me sort of video, because I have a few unfinished projects that I need to get done. So you will be seeing those videos much more about the unfinished projects that I have, where I'm going to incorporate these labels and some of the newer papers that I have. So you can keep watching that. So this is the large size one, because I found if I make it bigger than this, it is not working out that well. It's not looking that great. So this is the size I found was perfect. So this is this and this is the medium size, which can be used perfectly any way you like. It can be used on pockets, as I said and I showed. So let me show you. So this is the medium size. This is the medium size, this is the small size, and this is the large size. So you can see the difference. This is the small, large, and medium. There's considerable difference between the sizes. And also these can be, you can add them as your page accents. Sometimes what happens is, we want to embellish the page, but we do not know where to start and how it might look. So I might just add this one just for the sake of embellishing it. Or if I am sure that I want this to look a little bit more complex, or I want to make this look pretty nice, I can do this way. So automatically your page gets a little bit embellished. So these are basically page accents. You can make them as page accents also, they work fine. And if you want to make them into a tuck spot, you just glue this down on the 3 sides, or on, keep 2 sides open. You can make it into a pocket of sorts, and tuck small ephemera pieces to go inside it. So this is a project that I will be soon sharing with you. I am working on that, and it's in a stage of work in progress, you can say. So this is the medium size, and this is the large size. And large size, you get 2 sheets, and this is the smaller size. So you get 4 sheets of butterfly labels. And I hope you people like this, because they have been very well received by some of the people, and I'm so glad I worked on these, and they are definitely going to build my stash of labels of sorts. Sometimes what happens is, you know, you want something, particularly something which you don't have in your stash, then you need to think around it. So I thought of compiling a few things which we generally use, so that it is easier to embellish a project. Or you can even send them in happy mails also. Like if you want, you can just print them out and cut them out and add them to the pages, pockets of your happy mail, or you know, in the envelope, or you can add them to your swaps. So these are excellent for page embellishment, snippet building, decoration for your pockets and stuff like that. So I will cut these down. I mean, the ones that I'm already working on, I'll trim these down, and I'll be back to show you how I'm using these in my project. So till then, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and if you have not yet subscribed, then please think of subscribing. And if you are already a subscriber to my channel, then thank you so much, it means a lot to me. So thank you everybody, stay safe, bye, have a great day.